Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from Fansells. They did send me these items for review, so thank you to Fansells. So, move that to the side. So first item here, these should be some keychains. If it allows me to open it. These keychains are $3.99 in pounds. So, toolkit, except this is where the keychain things are. I'm like, what are they? Like the keychain things. So these are special drills here. And these are some dragons. Oh, they're double-sided. Always nice when the keychains are double-sided. I told myself the next time I got keychains that were not double-sided, I was going to put a magnet on them and make magnets from them, but this is double-sided. So here's the first dragon. Here's another dragon. Here's a pink dragon. I don't know, is this a dragon? Looks more like a dinosaur, but there's wings. So the wings make a dragon, right? So the pterodactyl are just dragons, right? Oh, this one's cute. Here. Why can I not find the opening? There it is. So did I say these were $3.99? I probably did. And they're actually a substantial size. Like it's pretty. So let's see. So it's about maybe 8 centimeters by about 8.5. So yeah, it's pretty substantial size here. So looks like there's no codes, but these are rhinestones. So some pink, orange. Oh, this is a really pretty color here. Green, purple, green, more purple, some browns, and some pinks. Oh, I don't know, orangey pink. So it does look like they're all rhinestones, no other specials in there. So move this to the side here. Next up is a diamond painting. This should be a 30 by 40 round drill. It should be a 30 by 40 round drill. So ordinary toolkit. Yep, these are rounds. I really like what's written on there. Like it actually has the DMC number on there. It's nice. And it's huge, the writing. And there it is. It's a gnome holding a sunflower and drinking some delicious looking thing with whipped cream. Don't know what it is. Hot cocoa with whipped cream and then some fall leaves, and it says, "Welcome on top of a pumpkin." This is gonna be, this one looks really, really nice. So let me flatten this out. It's August when I'm recording this. I'm thinking this video might not be up till September, but I think it's getting ready. I'm getting into the fall paintings here. So it looks like there is 24 colors. The legend is all letters. And drill field. It looks okay. This G is not the clearest, that you can't tell it's a G, but as long as, is there an O? The O, the O. Okay, there's the O and a G compared to each other, so they look different. Yeah, I think this will turn out nice. This will turn out nice. There. And let's look at the drills. Oh, did I say this is $3.49? I probably did. Maybe. $3.40, not, oh wait, $3, not, it's not in dollars. This is in pounds. So Fansells, their normal currency on their website is in pounds. So it's $3.49 in pounds. So it's a little bit less than 25 by a little bit less than 35. And let's look at the drills. So some really, really nice browns here. Some grays, reds, orange. I really like these. I really like the fall colors. I wish there was just more paintings of them. You'll have plenty of paintings for winter. Is this the same color? No, this is 18 and 19, so this is slightly lighter than this. I wish there were more fall paintings. But that could just be me. I usually, it's if I wanted to find like something winter or Christmas, it's like there's tons of them. Fall, there are some, but not as many. All right. So next one. So this last one that I'm showing on this is some Christmas cards. So last year I did enough Christmas cards that I was able to give one to everyone at my work, and I don't have that many people who physically work at my work. More physically, yeah, you know what I'm saying. This year we did hire a couple more people, so I think the group is a little bigger. So I think I need to buy a couple more Christmas cards. So it does come with an envelope. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a 6 envelope. This is 6 envelope. 6 cards. So first card here is some penguins. It says Merry Christmas, and there's the inside here. Some penguins. Here's a snowman. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year on the back, and there's the inside. Here's Santa, and has a snowman inside. It says Merry Christmas. This one has some ornaments and a tree. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. So I don't know about this one. See, this one, it's like this, but then when you open it, you have to go this way. So yeah, that might be a little bit of failure there, but it still looks nice. This one has a snowman holding some coffee, maybe. And Merry Christmas. This doesn't have lines like the other one. And this one has a blue Christmas tree with some ornaments here. It says Merry Christmas. And there's the inside there. So while we're looking at the drills, and since this will be the last one, we can have this be at the bottom. There you go. While we're looking at the drills, so you can see all the pictures. So let's look at the drills. So this, in case you want to know how big the card is, it's about 13 by 18 centimeters. I always use the centimeters because these things are made in China, and it usually fits the centimeters more than using inches. In case you're wondering, since, you know, I am in the US, I should be using inches and all that stuff. So some ordinary drills. There's actually a good amount of colors, I think. There's 17 of these. I'm guessing these are the first 17. So some regular drill pink, and then here's some rhinestones. So, and then these look like regular drills and then rhinestones. So it seems a mixture of regular drills and rhinestones. A good amount of rhinestones too. So that'll be interesting. And that's all white there. And these must be the specials. So there could be as many as 29 colors. I see that's the highest one. So some white bowl, some white pearly ones. I get this one a lot. These orange ones with the AB. Here's some blue drills. Here's some stars. Here's some egg shapes. I'm not sure what the egg shapes are for. some yellow drills here, some big red drills here, some purple drills, and then some green marquees. So it has some AB, a bigger yellow one, and then some smaller stars. Oh wait, did I drop this? And then some bigger white drills. So yeah, this one is one of those ones that have a lot of colors. So did I say that the cards are $8.99 in pounds? If I didn't, I just said it now. I didn't actually record last week because it was so hot, and so now I feel like I'm rusty doing unboxing video. So it's kind of funny how just not recording 1 week can make you completely rusty. So there's the Christmas trees. I mean the Christmas cards. Here's my fall note. And here are my keychains. Keychains. So I anticipate getting the Christmas cards and the keychains done. I will probably do this for fall, but I don't know if it'll be done in time for this unboxing video, but hopefully I plan to like pretty much do a bunch of just fall diamond paintings during the fall. And then like, and then if I do PR packages, I'm just gonna do the little partials, but fall! All right, so I will see you later, hopefully with some finishes. Okay, I'm back and I finished the keychains here. So there were 5 keychains, there were 10 colors, they were all crystal rhinestones, there was no codes or anything, the rendering was fine. I did find that there were guide circles, so some of them you can see underneath. Oop. Like, I don't know, you could see if it'll focus. Like, you can see the guide circles underneath. And it's plastic. The drills were normal. I don't even think I wrote anything on here. So this took me 2 hours and 27 minutes to complete. These keychains actually take sometimes a good amount of time because they're double-sided. So here is this orange one here. Are these dragons or are they dinosaurs? Here's this one here. I'm guessing they're dragons. They have wings, right? And there's this purple one. And there's the other side. I like the color of this one. Here. And this pink one. There. So let me move that aside. So I also finished the cards. So the cards were 13 by 18. There were 29 colors in all. 10 were regular round drills, 7 crystal rhinestones, and 12 specials. And same thing, rendering was fine. There were guide circles. I find a lot of these partials, they tend to have the guide circles. And the canvas was paper. Drills were fine, normal. I did add some rhinestones, and I did this over 1 day, and it took me 3 hours and 12 minutes to complete. So here is the first one here. These have the penguins here. I think this one's really cute. I did end up using rhinestones for the hat here and then rhinestones for here. I don't know, sometimes I'm just like, what can I do rhinestones with? And that's what ends up happening. Yeah, I was like, extra random drill. And then let me do all the ones that are like the same way up. Here is this one here. And so I think I actually changed a lot. This is all rhinestones here when they're actually, I don't know. But there's actually a good amount of rhinestones in this one. There were 7, so I did add some, but now I can't even remember anymore. So so randomly, some of this might be rhinestones and some of this might be really me just doing it. So here's this one. Because yeah, I was like, wait, there were 7 crystal rhinestones that came with this, so some of them actually might have been rhinestones. Here is this snowman here. I think this one turned out nice. And there's blue Christmas tree here. I'm pretty sure I added this rhinestone here. I don't think they were originally rhinestones, but yeah, I can't remember anymore. I do these and then, yeah, I don't remember. So here is this one here. It says Merry Christmas. I actually like how the lettering is nice and easy to read. I'm pretty sure I added a good chunk of rhinestones on this one, like these blue ones, but I don't even remember anymore. I just do. And then I think this one's cute. And this one here. Santa Claus here. And I think I think the red rhinestones came with this. See, like I said, I can't remember. I think this is how originally it was charted. I think that turned out nice there. All right, so that's all I have for this video here. Let me move you up so you can see. Well, actually, you can see everything already here. So there's all the finishes here. So thank you very much to Fansells for sending these items for review. And thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye.